tree. With great we tried to sneak gold while they wiggled away, but shouted err and spoiled the play.
In the dark of the cave where the gems all gleam, we whispered, like fools in a dream. And faster than fairies on 3 pints of mead, they twerked in unison with
shocking speed. No roars, no goblin cries, just trolley cheeks, hypnotizing eyes. We left with naught but a bruised ego's tail, and